I did accomplish my goal of getting a grade of 91% or higher in health and PE. I think I tried my hardest on all the assignments, and I always double checked things. And if there was extra credit, like there was in health, I would always do it so I could get a higher grade. And I don't think anything could have been done to get a 91% or higher sooner, because I just had to maintain the grade, not work up to it. And one thing that limited my ability was whenever my friends texted me, because whenever I would sit down to work, they would always text me right in that moment. And it's important to me keeping a grade of 91% or higher because it affects everything in school in the future. And keeping a grade of 91% or higher did motivate me to somehow keep my house cleaner. And another goal that I want to accomplish is writing a biography, and how I would do that is I would just write a page a day. And I think goal setting is fairly easy, but accomplishing it would be the problem. And I also think that setting goals or making a to-do list would encourage me to get more things done.